Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about delete multiple files from a folder in C#. So basically what here we are just trying to do is we'll take a particular folder, and in that folder there will be like multiple files will be present. Like those files can be of anything, and any number of files will be there. Okay, so the files can be of anything like text file, PDF file, CSV file, Excel file, or any other file. Okay, it can be a picture also. All right, so what we will do, so we'll apply a file.delete method over top of those files, and by using the for each loop, as here we are deleting the multiple files, and due to that reason here we will apply a for each loop. So under that for each loop we will apply the file.delete method, so where it will delete all those files which are present under a particular folder. So let me explain you with the example like how we can achieve this. So here you can see I have created a variable, and the variable name is like folder name, and this is like the path of the folder. And here you can see D drive and test1 folder. So these names are like just for the sake of the examples. You can like take as per your programming language, or as per your need. Okay, so here my folder is D drive and test1 folder. Now here I'll just apply a get files method which will retrieve all those files from this folder. So here all files equal to directory dot get files. So the directory dot get files method, it will retrieve all those files from a particular folder. And here you can see there are like three overloaded methods are there. So the first overloaded method, it will retrieve all the files from a folder. In the second, you can retrieve by using a search pattern, and the third one is the you can use a search option also. Alright, so here I am just going to use the first one, but you can use the second one or the third one also. Now here let me pass the folder name. So let's say if you want to apply a filter, then here you can in the second parameter you can pass like star dot txt. So it will retrieve all those text files. Let's say if I apply star dot pdf, then which will retrieve all those pdf files. Alright, so I'm not going to use those things. So I just use the first overloaded methods. So when this line of code execute, it will retrieve all the files from that folder. And here you can see the get files return type is string array. So in case of this where I can use the string array also, but let's keep it as where. Now here I am just going to apply a for each loop, even if you can apply a for loop also. So basically it depends upon the programmer to program whether they can use the for loop or for each loop. But basically I like the for each loop, and due to that reason I am using the for each loop. But if you like the for loop, then also that is fine, you can use the for loop also. So let me retrieve each of the file from the all files array. So here you can see file in all files. So the all files contain like all those files from that folder. Now by using the for loop, by using the for each loop, we are retrieving a single file from the all files array, and here we'll just apply a file.delete method which will delete all those files from that folder. Now here you can see it contains in this folder 6 files are there, but you can use any type of like any number of files. So let me here apply file.delete, and here let me pass the file. So this file is the path of the file, just not the file name. And here you can see this file is coming from here for each loop, and which contains the path of the file which we just want to delete it. And here let's say if I apply a breakpoint like to see how it actually works in the runtime. And if I click on the start, so let me press F10 or move to the next line. So in case of the all files array, here you can see it contains all those 6 files. Like here in this folder, it contains 6 files, but as per your folder, it contains like 100 files or 1000 files. Basically, it depends upon your folder. Alright. So let me apply here a for each loop. Alright. So here you can see my first file is the file1.txt, and if I apply a file.delete, so it will automatically delete that file from that folder. And let me press the continue button. Now let's just go to this D drive and test1 folder. So here you can see my drive is D drive and test1 folder. Now here you can see this folder is completely empty or nothing is there in that folder. So as we applied the file.delete method, so it deleted all those files from that folder. But let's say if we just want to delete a set of files like the text file or the PDF file or the Excel file, then it will delete so that many number of files which are present under that particular folder. And like file.delete is the provided by the Microsoft. So the file is present under the system.io namespace, and you just need to use the for loop or for each loop. So this is all about our today video where I had explained you about how to delete multiple files from a folder in C#. Thank you. And also please like and subscribe to our channel.